Well, thank you everybody for sticking around for the afternoon session. Today's been a great success so far. Again, my name is Kellen, Editor-in-Chief of the Sports Entertainment Journal, and we are very, very proud and happy to have this group of people here today. Putting together a conference like this has brought a new phrase to my personal vocabulary. You've all heard of herding cats. It's quite difficult, but herding attorneys is much, much more difficult in my personal opinion. But today we have the fortune of meeting a very great group that was involved personally in the NHL Coyotes bankruptcy case that we probably have all heard of, hopefully. I want to take a couple minutes at the very beginning and let each panelist introduce themselves. Starting to my right, Ms. Susan Freeman.
Susan Freeman, partner at Lewis & Roca. Can you hear this?
Yeah.
Susan Freeman, partner at Lewis & Roca in Phoenix. I represented Jim Balsillie and PSE. We were trying to acquire the Coyotes and move them up to Hamilton, Ontario, where they would actually make money.
And then to her right, Judge Redfield Baum of the Arizona District Bankruptcy Court.
It's interesting to be here because in 1970 at that desk with the tripod on it is where I sat when I was a first-year law student here. And I practiced law in Phoenix with two firms for about 19 years and went on the bench in 1990. And was fortunate enough to be the judge of the Coyotes case. I'm kind of a sports fan, so it was a great opportunity to watch some really good lawyers teach me about sports law.
And then to his right, Mr. Thomas Salerno, Squire and Sanders.
I'm Tom Salerno. I'm a partner in Squire, Sanders, and Dempsey. I was counsel working with Susan to try and convince the judge to allow the sale of the Coyotes. You can see how successful we were, but it was a fascinating case. It was a case of first impression, and we've learned a lot, and it's very interesting now to put it into context with what's going on in other cases that we're going to talk about today.